I just made some great end of summer Greek chicken bowls. Let me show you how I made it. It feels so good to be back in my kitchen. I start cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're having Greek chicken bowls. I'm doing some stuff a little bit differently tonight, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. First thing I'm gonna do is roast some chickpeas in the air fryer. Make sure that your chickpeas get nice and dry, so just put them a little bit, but you don't want to smoosh them. I already took off quite a few of the skins. It's not a big deal if you just leave them on. I just prefer the texture without the skin. If I were making hummus, I do take off the skin. So that is a non-negotiable for me. I think that it makes the hummus so much smoother, creamier, so much better. Just let that nice and dry. Just take my paper towel and put it underneath my roasting basket here. Give this a nice light spray of olive oil. Shake it around so they get nice and coated. Salt, pepper, and a little bit of smoked paprika. Definitely gotta make sure it's smoked so you get some good flavor. Shake it. Then these are going in the air fryer for 20 to 25 minutes. Hi! I'm a sucker for tzatziki sauce. But there are definitely creators out there that make a really good, authentic tzatziki, so go follow them. That looks pretty good. I've missed you guys. I've missed everybody so much. The most important part of this tzatziki is gonna be taking off that liquid. A cheesecloth works really good, but you can totally use a paper towel. Just be careful not to tear it. Just squeeze the cucumber. We're gonna call that good enough. Save that, drink it. It's good for you. Set this to the side for a minute. We'll come back to it. Cheers. Not quite as good as the green beer I drank at the state fair last week. Shout out to that watermelon sour batch. I don't know what it was. It was like Sour Patch watermelon beer. It was good. I marinated 2 chicken breasts in Greek yogurt, garlic expressions dressing, some olive oil, oregano, parsley, lemon, garlic powder, onion powder. It smells so good. Olive oil, chicken, Parmesan. We're just gonna give this a quick pound. Bottom of that cup that I just drank that juice out of, just flatten it out a little. Now that this is all pounded out flat, we're just gonna throw this in the oven at 425. I want it to get nice and brown and crispy and stay really juicy. Let's see how we do. And don't forget, wash your gross hands. Let's do another disinfect here. I've watched a lot of creators make tzatziki and it all looks phenomenal, but all the good ones use a higher fat percentage of Greek yogurt. So we're gonna use a 5% Greek yogurt today. I just peeled off maybe half a cup for my chicken marinade, and I'm using almost all of it. There's just a little bit left on the bottom. I think this is a secret ingredient for just a super creamy tzatziki, a little bit of sour cream. Totally fine. Nothing wrong with it. Gosh, that's good. Some dill here that I washed, and I'm just gonna dry it really well. Give this a nice chop. Take out all the stems. You shouldn't, but you totally can use dried dill if you're in a pinch. Speaking from experience. Bit of fresh garlic. You want to make sure this gets ground up really, really finely because you don't want any big chunks of garlic. That'll end up being really spicy in your tzatziki anytime that you use fresh garlic. If you use it in a vinaigrette or in a dressing, make sure that you get it very, very, very small. So a nice little grater like this works wonderful for it. Stir. And I could get the lemon out of our camper. Just gonna do that right at the end. We'll add lemon juice. A nice big pinch of salt. A little bit more. I like to use a little bit of pepper. Set that to the side. This chicken is so tender. I overcooked it and it's even still so moist all because of that yogurt. Chicken on our right. Here's our toddler's plate. I'll show you how we're gonna construct our bowls. I didn't forget. Construct with a little bit of rice. Oh, that's a lot of rice. Hot. Rice. We're not really big tomato people, so I just have a couple of grape tomatoes for myself. Full of roasted chickpeas on top. You want any lettuce on yours, honey? Sure. Kind of end up with bite-sized pieces. Some carrots right on top. Both of us. Pickled red onion.
No, what do we?
The last thing is tzatziki.
I gotta get it.
Derek's bowl.
How do I attack those?
I just got asked how do we attack this. I really don't know. The chicken's buried, the rice is buried. Just try to get everything in one bite. A carrot in there. Top it with a red onion.
Oh, I got a big carrot.
Yeah. This is the definition of eat the rainbow. Thanks for sticking around.